Hey guys, Negron here. Today we'll be doing a review on the brand Sealight LED headlight kit. This current one is the S1-SERIES. This is an H13/9008. A little bit of background about myself. I live here in New England. I'm a commercial driver. I work at nighttime, so visibility is #1 for safety. And I drive an 18-wheeler, and I drive a 2010 Ford F-150. Okay, so visibility is key. And for the last 3 weeks, I had done my research extensively within YouTube, online forums about what is LED? How is LED for headlights? And you got your halogens, you got your LEDs, and you have your HIDs. Not everybody has the price tag or the pocket for HID, and replacements could be well over $100. So Sealight came in within the top 3. What distinguished Sealight from the rest of the competitors were materials. A lot of these guys are using, cheap alloys, aluminums, and lots of plastic. Where the ballast or the drivers, the decoders or the canvases, all this is going to be out in the elements, and it's just cheap material. Whereas Sealight here has all alloy material and aircraft aluminum, and which I found pretty fascinating. So here on my 2010 F-150 is what I'll be putting these H13s in today. This is going to be a 2-part. I wanted to do an unboxing and a how-to. So on this video here, this will be of the unboxing of what you will receive. I purchased these off of Amazon. They are the same price on Amazon versus Sealight's actual website. SealightLED.com. Sign up. You'll get all their promotional discounts via email, which I took advantage of. But anyway, here it goes. This is the box. It's actually a nice little box. Built very well. It tells you everything that you need to know. Let's open this up one-handed. Okay. Okay. Package includes warranty information, instructions, zip ties. Oh, that's pretty cool. How to, product specifications, and this is really what we want to see. Okay, so let me tell you guys, hands down, when any company takes the time to actually, put good packaging around their material, these guys are, meaning business. Here's the canvas decoder. This is actually, this is aluminum. Okay, it's not plastic. And here's the actual LED. Keep in mind, this is an H13-9008.